Hi students, how are you? Okay, let's go on working with the book today. Open the book on page number 8. Okay, open it on page number 8. And we're going to work with unit number 1. Unit number 1 it's about nature. Nature, that is the correct pronunciation for this word. Nature. And it means naturaleza. Nature means naturaleza. Okay, we're going to work with this activity. 1. Listen and read. Here we have a dialogue among Megan, Ben, and a lady. Megan, Ben, and a lady. They are in a library, están en una librería, yeah? And the lady is showing them, les está mostrando a ellos, showing them a poster of the Seven Sisters in England. Ok, ¿por qué tendrán este póster? ¿Qué información estarán buscando? Yes, about nature. Vocabulary about nature. So now we are going to listen and read. Lo vamos a escuchar y leer juntos al dialogue para hacer la activity number 2. Are you ready? Okay, let's go.
Listening 5. Listen and read.
Good morning. Have you got any information about the South Downs, please?
It's for a school project.
Hello. Well, it's a national park in the southeast of England. Here's a poster.
Wow! Those cliffs are amazing!
They're the Seven Sisters.
Is that a trail?
Yes, you can ride your bike and see the beautiful hills.
Is it very long?
Yes, it's 160 kilometres.
Oh, that's a long bike ride.
Great, a nice dialogue. All right. Now we are going to work with activity number 2. It says, read the dialogue. Toda la información la saco del diálogo. And write true, verdadero, or false, falso. Fíjense que el 1 ya está hecho. Dice, the information is for a school project. It's for a school project. ¿Ven que está en el dialogue? So it's true. Ustedes van a completar la 2, 3, 4, and 5 with the dialogue. ¿Sí? Eso está todo en el dialogue. All right. Well, that's all for now. Esto es todo por ahora, and see you in the next video. All right? Bye bye, students.